In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the model of Arctis Nova 7 that you have, you will be able to connect it to your PlayStation 5. So in order to use this headphone wirelessly on your console, you will need to plug in the dongle. So when you unbox the Arctis Nova 7, you will find a USB-C dongle. Plug this into your PlayStation 5. You can try connecting it directly, however, on the official manual, they recommend using an adapter like this. So this is how it looks on the manual. You plug one end of this adapter into the dongle and then the other one goes into your PlayStation 5 through a USB-A port. So instead of connecting it directly, just use the manual, the adapter, to make sure that everything works properly. Now, press the physical button on the dongle. So this button will enable the dongle to pair up with your actual headset. So power on the headset, and it should automatically pair itself up with the dongle. If it doesn't happen right away, then try to do a specific combination of buttons. With the Arctis Nova 7 paired up with the dongle, you can now go over to the sound settings on the console, audio output, output device, and you will be able to find them here. So it is natively compatible, meaning that you don't have to purchase any sort of adapters. As long as you use the one that was included with your purchase, which is the tiny USB-C dongle, you will be good to go to establish this connection between the Nova 7 and your PlayStation 5. So in short, use the USB-C dongle. Plug it into the USB-C port or use the provided USB-C to USB-A cable to establish this connection, and you will be able to use them wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.